Hello and welcome. Have you ever known English words but still felt stuck when speaking? You're not alone. Many English learners study grammar and vocabulary for years, yet struggle to sound natural in real conversations. That's because fluency isn't about big or difficult words. It's about using simple, everyday phrases with confidence. Native speakers don't memorize complex sentences. They repeat the same common expressions every day, and that's what makes their English sound natural. In this video, I'll share 10 English phrases I personally use every single day, along with clear examples so you can start using them immediately. Let's get started. 1. How's it going? This phrase is a casual way to ask how someone is doing. It's more relaxed than, how are you? And commonly used with friends, coworkers, or family. Example conversation. Hey Mark, how's it going? Not bad, just a little tired from work. How about you? I'll get back to you. Use this phrase when you don't have an answer yet, but will respond later. Example. Your boss asks about a deadline, but you need to check first. Instead of staying silent, you confidently say, I'll get back to you on that. This phrase sounds professional and calm. 3. I'm just kidding. Use this phrase after a joke to avoid misunderstandings. Example. Did you really eat all the cookies? Of course, I was starving. I'm just kidding. 4. It's up to you. Use this when you want someone else to decide. Example. Friend, where should we go for dinner? It's up to you. 5. I see what you mean. This phrase shows understanding and active listening. Example. Online learning is more effective than traditional classrooms. Yeah, I see what you mean. It's more flexible for students. 6. Could you repeat that? This is extremely useful when you don't hear or understand something. Example, if someone says, the train leaves at 6:45, and you miss it, say, sorry, could you repeat that? 7. I'm on my way. Use this to tell someone you're coming. Example, where are you? I'm on my way. Use it in real-life messages instead of saying, I'm coming. 8. That sounds great. Use this phrase to show enthusiasm. Example. Do you want to go hiking this weekend? That sounds great. Let's do it. 9. Never mind. Use this when something is no longer important. Example. If you start to ask a question but realize it doesn't matter, just say, never mind. 10. Let me know. Use this phrase when you want someone to inform you later. Example. Let me know when you decide. Let me know when you're free. Speaking English naturally doesn't require perfect grammar. It requires confidence and practice. These 10 phrases will help you sound more fluent and keep conversations flowing smoothly. Challenge yourself to use at least 3 of these phrases today, in a conversation, a text, or a voice note. Which phrase is your favorite? Which one will you use today? Let me know in the comments.